Hi, my name is Sky, and I'm going to show you how to make these coffee filter butterflies. So what you're going to need are coffee filters. Each butterfly takes 2 coffee filters. You're also going to need piping, and you're going to need markers, and you're going to need water. You can either have it in a cup or you can go to the sink. You're also going to need gloves as well as newspaper. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your coffee filter. I like to fold it in half, so you only need to color one side because they're all kind of going to mesh together when they get wet. So they're going to kind of look like this, kind of like a rainbow tie-dye colorful watercolor type like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your filter and you're going to color it. So I did this one by doing the rainbow. So at first I started with red. So I'm just going to color red like this, and then orange like that, and then green, blue, and then purple. And you don't have to be precise. And it just looks like that. And then I'm just going to add, let's see here, I'm just going to add some red at the top just so that there's no white up there, like that. So I just colored red above like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open it up and then put that side down and then fold it over one more time, kind of like a pie, like this. And you're going to put your gloves on, and then you're going to soak it in water, starting from this tip right here, and then just make sure that don't soak it completely in the water, just hold it in the water a little bit, and then the water will spread throughout, and then you're just going to make sure that it's all wet, and then once it's wet, you're going to spread it out like this, and then you're going to place it onto a newspaper and wait for it to dry. It doesn't take that long. And you're going to take your coffee filter that you colored half of, and you're going to fold it. Just wait for it to dry. Okay, so once they're dry, they're gonna have something that looks like this. And what you're gonna do is fold it accordion style. So you're gonna fold it down and then back, down, back, down, and back. So it's starting to look like an accordion. So then you're gonna have something that looks like this. And you're just gonna hold that to the side and then do the same thing with the next one. Fold it down, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. It doesn't have to be perfect. So then now you're going to have 2 that kind of look like this, and you're going to put them together like that. And then you're going to take the piping. You can cut it to make it a little shorter, but I kind of like mine longer. So I fold it in half, and then I put it around the coffee filter so that it's secure. And then you're just going to tighten it and twist it. And I like to make the ends of my butterflies antennas a little bit curly, so how I do that is I just wrap it around my finger like that. I wrap it around my finger, and then you pull open the sides of the wings like that. And you're going to have something that looks like, just open it up a little bit. And then you're going to have something that looks like that. You can twist the antennas, and there you go. And you can also glue the back to a clothespin, and then you can also put a magnet on the other side of the clothespin. You can make it as a magnet, or you could stick it to your window. You can hang it from your curtains, anything like that. And that's how you make a coffee filter watercolor butterfly.